25 miles an hour, gusting to 35. This is a high wind warning from the National Weather Service. For the following locations in Colorado: the Northern Front Range foothills including Estes Park and Nederland, and the Southern Front Range foothills including Idaho Springs and Evergreen. High wind warning in effect from 3 a.m. Monday to 6 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time Tuesday. What? West winds 35 to 45 miles per hour with gusts up to 75 miles per hour expected. Where? The Northern Front Range foothills and the Southern Front Range foothills. When? From 3 a.m. Monday to 6 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time Tuesday. The following effects are expected: damaging winds, debris, and coolant. Use caution if you must drive. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Caution if you must drive.